So you're thinking about rolling the dice on a cruise ship casino, or maybe you already did, and you're wondering, wait, why didn't anyone tell me this stuff before I sat down at the slots? Well, you're in luck, because today, we're pulling back the curtain on what I wish I knew about cruise ship casinos before I ever stepped foot in one. No fluff, no filler, just the real deal on what actually matters once you're out at sea. Let's dive in, and be sure to stick around till the end, because the last one, yeah, it might just blow your mind. Number 1. The casino isn't open 24/7, even if you are. You might think you can wander in any time, but cruise casinos have their own rules. Unlike Vegas, cruise ships shut down their casinos while docked. Yep, no lights, no slots, no blackjack. Just an eerie, quiet space that looks like it's on a coffee break. Even at sea, slots open first. But table games? Don't expect them up and running till late afternoon, so don't plan your 10 a.m. blackjack marathon. You'll just end up pacing the carpet. Always check the cruise app or daily planner. Save yourself the walk and the disappointment. Number 2. The casino's location is no accident. Ever notice how the casino's right in your path? That's not a coincidence. It's usually smack in the middle of the action, between the bar and the buffet, right where you'll stroll by after dinner or the evening show. You hear that ding ding ding, see someone cheer at the slot machine, and suddenly, I'll just take a peek. Cruise lines want that. It's part of the design, not to trick you, but to tempt you. And it works. So if you keep getting accidentally pulled in, now you know why. Number 3. You can take free casino classes on board. Ever hover near a craps table wondering what the heck is going on? You're not alone. And guess what? Cruise lines offer free casino classes. Look in the daily planner for Learn to Play Blackjack or Intro to Roulette. These aren't dry lectures. They're fun, low-pressure tutorials where you can ask questions, practice hands, and learn without risking a cent. Number 4. Slot winnings go to your room key, not a ticket. Okay, this one messed me up the first time. You win on a slot machine, you hit cash out, and nothing prints. Why? Because your winnings go directly onto your room key. That key card is your casino wallet. No paper, no ticket. And if you didn't insert your card when you started playing, yikes! You'll need a casino host to manually help you cash out. Pro tip, always insert your card before you spin. And when you're ready to cash out for real money, go to the cashier, not the machine. It's different, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually kind of slick. Number 5. The casino is the busiest spot on the ship at night. Think the ship goes quiet after the show? Nope. That's when the casino lights up like Times Square. It's buzzing. Slots ringing, blackjack tables packed, people laughing, winning, losing, and having the time of their lives. Even if you're not gambling, it's a fun place to people watch. But be warned, if you wait until 9 p.m. to grab your favorite machine or a seat at the table, good luck. It gets packed. Like circling for parking at Costco packed. So if you've got a favorite slot, show up early. Number 6. The gambling age is just 18. Yes, really. Now here's one that surprises folks. On land, you have to be 21 to gamble. But at sea, if you're 18, you're in. That's right. Slot machines, blackjack tables, craps, all fair game at 18. No need to wait for the big 2-1. There are exceptions, like Alaska sailings, which follow local laws. But for most cruises in the Caribbean or abroad, that casino door is wide open at 18. Just remember, the drinking age is still 21, so you can win at roulette, but you'll be toasting with soda. Number 7. Your winnings might not be winnings. Here's something I didn't fully understand on my first cruise. Just because the machine lights up and plays a fun tune doesn't mean you won. In fact, a lot of cruise ship slots are set to celebrate even tiny payouts. You could put in a $5 spin, win back $2, and the machine throws a mini party like you hit the jackpot. Ding ding ding, happy music, confetti graphics. Meanwhile, you just lost $3. It's called a false win. And casinos do it to keep you playing. Cruise ship machines, they love doing this. So when that screen lights up and flashes winner, double check the numbers. You might just be celebrating a loss in style. Number 8. Your casino play can earn free cruises. Okay, now this is one of those tips most passengers never realize. Every time you play in the casino, you're earning points behind the scenes. And if you earn enough, cruise lines might just invite you back for free. Yep, free cruise offers, cabin, meals, even drinks in some cases. These comps go out to players who rack up enough points during a sailing, and sometimes you don't even have to be a big spender. Here's the secret. Insert your key card every time. Even if you're just dropping 20 bucks, the casino host tracks everything, and if they see consistent play, they may flag you for casino offers, which means deeply discounted or even complimentary sailings in the future. Think of it like the cruise version of frequent flyer miles, but instead of miles, it's spins and chips. Number 9. You can ask for casino loss statements and maybe write it off. Now here's one for the seasoned players. If you're spending a bit of time and money in the casino, did you know you can request a win-loss statement? It's a summary of your gambling activity for the cruise. Total played, total won, total lost. And for U.S. residents who file itemized taxes, it could be tax deductible. Let me be clear, I'm not giving financial advice here. Always check with your tax person. But many players use these statements to offset gambling winnings they report elsewhere. Even if you're not itemizing taxes, it's still a great way to track your play, especially if you want to get into casino comp programs later. So don't be shy. Stop by the casino desk and ask for your statement. It's free, and it's smarter than pretending those quarters didn't add up. Number 10. The table minimums can be higher than you think. If you're dreaming of $1 blackjack hands, cruise ships might give you a reality check. Table minimums, especially at night, can be surprisingly steep. It's not unusual to see $10, $15, even $25 minimums for blackjack or poker, and those go up fast when the tables are full. Sure, sometimes in the early afternoon you'll find a $5 table, but by 8 p.m., you better be ready to drop some serious chips. Why? Limited table space, fewer dealers, and cruise lines know you're a captive audience at sea. If you're budget conscious, check the table minimums before sitting down, or try your luck earlier in the day when things are quieter. Either that, or get really good at poker face, so no one knows you just bet your spa budget. Number 11. The casino gives out surprise freebies, but you have to ask. Here's a little secret: casino hosts can hand out free stuff, but they don't always advertise it. I've gotten free drinks, slot credits, even little gifts just by being friendly and asking. The trick? Be polite, be a regular, and let them know you're enjoying the casino. After a few visits, swing by the casino host desk and say, "Hey, any offers available on my account?" If they've seen your key card in the machines or at the tables, there's a good chance they'll toss you something. Sometimes it's $10 in free play. Sometimes it's a drink voucher. Sometimes it's a lanyard that you'll never wear but feel weirdly proud of. Either way, it's free stuff for playing the games you were going to play anyway. So there you go. 6 things I seriously wish I knew before I ever set foot in a cruise casino. You might still lose a few bucks. Hey, that's gambling. But now, you'll be playing smarter and hopefully walking away with more than just confusion. And if this helped at all, even just one aha moment, give that like button a tap and consider subscribing for more cruise tips you actually want to hear. Oh, and don't miss part 2, where we get into the wild perks, weird rules, and some casino hacks I probably shouldn't be talking about. Click that next video and I'll meet you there. Thanks for watching, and good luck at the tables.